Hello and welcome to another episode of Happy Face Travels. I am Diana and today I teach you 5 ways to travel around the world for free. At Happy Face Travels, we are here to teach you how to travel around the world with little or no money. If that is something you're interested in, you can stick around and watch this video to the end. Before we go into these 5 ways to travel around the world with no money, please subscribe, like this video, share this video so that you can travel around the world with your friends and family. Now, the very first site I am going to be talking about is princess.com/careers. So, what does the princess.com/careers do? As you can see here, this is a cruise carrier site. So for those of you who are interested in traveling via ship, this is definitely for you. All you need to do is come to this website, check out the now hiring, go through the website, read through, understand completely what they do, and follow my number one secret and hack by sending them a personal message. And when you're sending a personal message, do well to introduce yourself, tell them why you would love to travel around the world with them as a crew member in the ship, and also tell them your area of expertise that will bring value to them to the ship. Just maybe you will be invited, you will pass your interview, and be on your way to travel around the world with the princess.com cruise. The next website I'm going to be talking about is the jobtrain.co.uk/carnival/home/job. I'm going to take that again. So it's the jobtrain.co.uk/carnival/home/job. So you can always zoom in to your screen and get these links. Now, you need to come to this website and look for a job that matches what you can do. When you are at this website is also a cruise website. So you can come here, put in the job title, you can select your distance, you can select your region, and you can apply filters, and you can just go ahead and see the available vacancies and apply. Like I said again, you can send them a direct message. For those of you who are not in the UK, you can also get a visit visa, get into the UK, and just have fun traveling with the Carnival UK cruise. The next website I'm going to talk about is called Mind My House. So, Mind My House is a global house sitting matching service. So when you hear global, it rings a bell. Global means that they are available almost everywhere. So the first thing you need to do is come to mindmyhouse.com. So it is mindmyhouse.com. mindmyhouse.com. Once you're here, the very first thing you need to do is to register with them and start your matching. So it is so simple because what they do here is actually match those who need your service as a house or pet sitter with you. So you will not necessarily be able to find house owners or homeowners who need your assistance to sit their pet. That means to take care of their pet or their house. So with Mind My House, you will get a perfect matching. And with that, you can travel around the world for free because you're getting paid to mind a client's house. And the very next site I'm going to be talking about is trustedhousesitters.com. So trustedhousesitters.com works almost like Mind My House. So they do the same thing. you find a pet sitter and you contact the pet sitter directly and you come to an arrangement and you can travel to start working with a particular client. And this website is trustedhousesitters.com. Trustedhousesitters.com. And the very last website, which is one of my favorite websites, it is the Worldwide Opportunities on Organic Farms. Is a worldwide movement to link visitors with organic farmers, promote a cultural and educational exchange. So for those of you who are going to Canada as visitors, this is definitely for you. So you can actually search and look at available options for you, so that those of you who are going to Canada can just come here, www.oof.ca/en/. So for those of you who are in Canada, you can come here and find your fam and you can apply directly to them. Yeah, so just come here, find your fam and apply directly to them. And this is not just for Canada. If you look at this, you can see in the search bar, they have absolutely almost all the continents, if not all. So you have Africa, there's America that covers the Canada and all of that, is Asia Pacific, and there's Europe. So it is advisable for you to come here and look at all of this and start applying immediately. So if you go to countries as a visitor, you can pair yourself with this organization and it will help you get settled in that particular country for the period of time that you will be staying in that country. You will meet friends, you will meet instead of just being a loner in a new country, you would have a family that you can work with in terms of farming, and you would also learn a thing or two about farming, and also you don't know where this can take you to. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe, like this video, and if for any reason you don't quite understand how to apply to all of these places, you can send Happy Face Travels an email or a WhatsApp message, or just drop that in the comment section asking us to help you apply, and we are going to sign you up with our travel virtual assistant team and they will help you apply. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.